What's up, trading family? Wanted to go over my trades for the day. So as you can see, I am up 1,735 as of market open. I haven't traded since I disabled the auto trader because I didn't like the market conditions. But if you take a look here, I had a wild day. Basically, I was in a blackout and this thing was auto trading for me in the morning time where I had no real access to my remote server, and it played out well. So basically, while I was trading London server, I took a hit. Usually what I like to do is, because I'm debugging the system, I like to just really monitor what's happening. And this loss there is due to a bug that I reported yesterday. But from this point down to here, these were sell positions. And if you see, these are sell positions, and they recouped the loss immediately of that $567. And what happens is, then I went into these three buy positions. These were pending orders. Okay, so basically the way the EA works is that it actually, when you get a lightning bolt, it'll look for opportunities to place an opposite trade at specific levels. And in this case, I got many different levels for it to choose from, but in this case, it chose, and I didn't have it here. I really deleted all the zones and such just so you could see it, but it literally chose this level here, this trend line that was auto drawn. Everything is going to be auto drawn, and it actually placed the pending order on the opposite of the trend line that was auto drawn and auto detected. So basically what happened is, the reason why I got into these sells is that it was a retest of a previous lightning bolt. And the EA automatically got into sells, and the EA automatically took partials at this level. And then market open, when price pushed up and then broke the trend line, this order was already pending. But this trend line, it was pending based off this trend line. And market then opened these orders, pushed up, and automatically sold the positions at this level here and at this level there, giving me those remaining three profits. And that's how I made 1735 today. There you have it. Hope you enjoyed that.